Welcome back to Nick's Adventrex. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I have a major fascination with volcanoes and lava. So today's journey takes me to a place I've been wanting to explore for a while now. Amboy Crater, National Natural Landmark, near the town of Amboy, California, is located in the Mojave Desert between Los Angeles and Las Vegas, and is halfway between Barstow and Needles, about 66 miles from each. Amboy Crater is a volcanic cinder cone, and it is part of one of the youngest volcanic fields in the United States. I'm driving on I-15 right now out of Las Vegas, heading south. So I've already crossed the state line out of Nevada into California, and I'm about to hit the agricultural station up here. After the agricultural station, I'm going to exit the freeway on Nipton Road and head out towards the Mojave National Preserve to go to Amboy Crater, because y'all know that I like volcanoes, although this one is not active. I don't know if it's technically a volcano. I think it's considered a cinder cone, but honestly I don't know the difference, so that's something I'm gonna have to look up. But pretty sure they both spew lava when they're active. Anyway, yeah, we're headed to Amboy Crater, which is a little under an hour and a half away. Thank you, you too. I've never filled up in Amboy, but they do have a gas station there. But I did stop at the pumps once, and they're like old school, and I'm talking old school. There's no, you can't put your credit card in it, so I can't vouch for the integrity of those gas pumps. So my mindset is I fill up in Prim. So anyway, I'm headed towards Amboy Crater right now, and I have about an hour and 15 minutes till I get there. Wow, there's a lot of dirt on the road. Must have flooded pretty recently. The drive to Amboy Crater from Las Vegas takes you through the Mojave National Preserve, the ghost town of Kelso, the Kelso Depot, and past the Kelso Dunes. Amboy Crater out there in the distance. Not too far away from it now, about 10 miles. Or actually a little under 10 miles. So this is where you can get gassed here in Amboy, but you're going to pay for it. $7.59 for gas, because they know that they're a last chance place. Now we are headed over to Amboy Crater. That was the town of Amboy that we just passed. Amboy Crater was designated a National Natural Landmark in 1973 and is recognized for its visual and geological significance. Amboy Crater is an example of a very symmetrical volcanic cinder cone. There is a breach on the west side of the crater where basaltic lava poured out over a vast area of 24 square miles, which contains lava lakes, collapsed lava tubes and sinks, spatter cones, and massive flows of basalt. Okay, we are hiking to Amboy Crater. I'm not really sure where the trail starts, but I did see a bunch of people going the way that I'm going right now. So I'm heading in that direction. Also, I'm kind of surprised at how crowded it is here. Now, I'm doing this hike a few days before Christmas, so I'm sure everybody is on their Christmas break. So it's a little bit more crowded than I expected. There's like, including my car, there's like 5 cars. So this is a round trip of about 3 miles. It says to allow yourself 3 hours of hiking time. I am not doing 3 hours, maybe 2, because I'm not going to hike the circumference of the, hold on a second. There are a number of significant historic archaeological sites adjacent to the Amboy Crater National Monument. These historic sites include General Patton's desert training center camps, the towns of Amboy and Saltus, the Atchison, Topeka, and Santa Fe Railroad, and the National Trails Highway known as Route 66. Do I have enough water? That should be enough. Gosh, now I'm second guessing my water. I'll go get some more water. I'm loaded up with water now. I've got 2 bottles. I don't think it's going to be a problem. I've just seen a lot of warnings about having enough water for this hike. But, you know, it's December. It's the end of December. And it's like only 60 degrees. It's 11 o'clock right now. And like I said earlier, I'm not going to hike the circumference. I don't have enough time. I'm just going to get up to the top. Maybe fly the drone at the top. I'll let the drone do the work. And I do have Gandhi behind me, so I have a little extra weight. He's not really good on a leash, but I'm not leaving him in the car. Another sign, again, with the do you have enough water? Yes, I have enough water. Enough water for me and my dog. And there's a lot of lava rock around here, which is expected since we're going to go hike a mini volcano / cinder cone. Well, I guess if you want shade, that's all you get. There are no trees around here. I can't even imagine doing this in the summer. No way. I told you it was 60 degrees out. And I don't know, for some people that might not sound very warm, but when you're hiking, it's actually kind of the perfect temperature. I have lightweight hiking pants on and a breathable t-shirt, and I'm perfect as far as temperature is concerned. It's not too hot at all, and it's not too cold, just right. Of course, we'll see how I feel when I start ascending the cinder cone. I did watch some videos on it. According to the people that I watched, it's not that strenuous of an ascent, and it doesn't look very high. But, you know, I'm not there yet, so we'll see how I feel when I get to the base of it. So there's train tracks really close to Amboy Crater. You can see a train out there. Oh, you can actually see 2 trains passing. Okay, we're getting closer to the base. of the cinder cone. And I don't know what the deal is with this. I think it erupted last like 10,000 years ago. So I don't know what that qualifies as. Well, obviously it's not active. I don't know if it qualifies as dormant or extinct. My guess is it's leaning more towards dormant. Because like extinct is, I think, hundreds of thousands of years old. But you know what? I'm not a geologist. I don't know. That's what Google's for. So I will find out. Another shelter here, providing a little bit of shade, not too much. Right here at the base. Okay, I'm starting to see the switchbacks now to get up to the top of the cinder cone. That was about maybe a mile and a quarter. Okay, we're starting to go up the cinder cone. Okay, almost to the top. And here we are. Yeah, I'm a little out of breath. Ah, there you can see the trail. All the way around. All right, that was pretty cool. Worth it. I don't have enough time to walk around the circumference of the crater today, but I would definitely come back. It's pretty neat. I like it up here. And you know, it's lava. Check it out. You can see the whole lava field out there. And out that way too. That's pretty fascinating. I'm gonna have to read up on this for sure to learn about it. Amboy Crater. just off of historic Route 66 near the town of Amboy. All right, I'm heading back down. Here we go. Thanks for joining me on this journey to Amboy Crater. Please take a moment to like the video, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe. Every subscription means a lot to me. And do leave me a comment if you have any questions. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next adventure.